The evil eye symbol, Nazar amulet, represents protection against negativity, envy, and bad luck, often associated with curses or negative intentions. It's found across many cultures and time periods, used as an amulet or charm to ward off ill wishes. Elaboration 1. Protection. The evil eye symbol is believed to safeguard individuals from harm caused by jealous and malicious spells, according to a Washington Post article. 2. Cultural significance. This symbol has ancient origins and is widely used in the Middle East and North Africa, where it's known as Nazar or Nazar Bonkat, Nazar Bey, according to Wikipedia. 3. Symbolism. The eye-shaped amulet is often depicted as four concentric circles, representing the eye and its protective powers. And 4. Modern usage. The evil eye symbol has gained popularity in recent years, appearing in fashion, jewelry, and social media trends.